want something? Step out of your car and put your hands on the video.
Never approach me when I'm not expecting you.
Jeez, and what are you? An animal? Look, you said you would stay off my case, and where do I find you? Right here in my office.
This is your office.
You know, that's hilarious. Do you know what's not funny? That you stole my keys to that office.
This is funny because I don't remember any of that.
Okay, I'm gonna say this one more time. Stand down, officer.
Fuck off, officer.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna call my boss.
Okay. Do that, sport titty.
Unbelievable. You know, I think you and I kind of got off the wrong foot. Right. Mm-hmm. And I don't know, Hamburg, you have a lot of knowledge about this area that could be, you know, could be useful.
I don't need your help to take down Larkin.
Okay, you wouldn't even have known about Larkin if this wasn't for me, so obviously the FBI has a lot more information, and there's a lot more where that comes from. Maybe a lot.
I just need to hear, I need your help, Marlon.
Okay, no, I won't be doing that. No. Okay.
No. Fine. So I drive this car out with this fishy criminal here?
Okay, you know, that's ridiculous. I am an FBI agent.
Oh, you are a police officer. I'm a police officer. I'm a police officer. I need your help, Mullins.
I need your help, Mullins.
Stop screaming. God, even in that you are annoying. I will work with you as long as we are clear that this is my case.
This isn't your case, right? Mullins, no. And I think you forgot something in the car, didn't you?
Yes. How long is this gonna take?
I don't know, maybe 12 hours.
12?
Maybe less. I need to find out what drives him.
Okay, and what drives him?
Look, if you join the conversation, you might break the bond that we two have created.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand how important this is?
Yes, I do.
And will you be patient?
Yes, I will.
Okay. All right. Hello. Do you want some coffee? I drink a little more coffee than I actually should. I don't really.
The fuck is Larkin?
10 seconds. You could wait 10 seconds.